Yeah, it looks like a hurricane. It looks like a hurricane. So you guys can see what I see. I'm still recording.
I'm soaking wet. I hope you know they'll tear it up.
It's still recording too.
This ain't the worst part of it.
I'm trying to get it to actually catch the drops. This isn't even the worst part. I don't think I'm going to be able to record the worst part.
Huh?
Dang it! I didn't even know you were out. I wonder if it's going to be able to get the droplets on your car. God dang, I'm getting wet. Good. Flooded right there. God dang. Yes, Josh, it is bad. Literally, Josh, it is bad. What the heck? Looks like it's coming down a little bit. But what the heck do I know? Anyways, bye, I'm signing off.